apart from like graphics.
Let me just tell you about the whole game. Okay. Let me get this mic nearer to me. Perfection is achieving. Okay.
मैं retro चलाऊंगा.
So, hello and welcome guys. We are back in Forza Horizon 5. This is the latest game which is released at the moment. This is the latest Forza game and I bought it on the first day. भाई तेरे भाई के पास पैसा बहुत है. हमने डे वन खरीद लिया था गेम ये वाला. But आज का चैलेंज क्या है? Today my friend सिद्धार्थ will be. आज पता है तुम्हें क्या करने वाले इसके अंदर?
मेरे को इतना बताया गया था कि मेरे को आके गेम खेलना है. I have no clue.
The thing is, you're not only playing the game. So basically, we all know कि Forza में we have these big photo modes which included in Forza Horizon 4 maybe. Yep. 4 में होता है.
Yeah, 4 में actually it was there, but I guess it was not a cinematic thing, right? It was just a picture.
Let's just make this much bigger than we should possibly be making it. Yeah. Okay. So for this intro being here, आज हम लोग Forza Horizon 5 का फोटो मोड ट्राई करने वाले हैं एंड माई फ्रेंड हियर हु इज एक्चुअली अ फोटोग्राफर इज गोइंग टू ट्राई हिज फोटोग्राफी स्किल्स इनसाइड दिस गेम एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर्स डू वी गेट. We will keep posting these pictures on this and we'll be live streaming this event as well. So you can check us on YouTube. I stream every other day in the evening and at night after 8 to 10. So currently we are just starting up the game. We are choosing our favorite cars. अभी मेरे पास इतनी cars unlocked भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. And let's see how it goes.
I'll go with this one, I guess.
I'll go with this one. तुम भाई फोटो तुम्हें खींचनी है.
हाँ.
Let me just place this back.
Choose the car, right? I'll go for Mustang.
So you want to go for Mustang? Let's place this right here.
Done. There we go. Okay. Now we're rolling. Can I change the color?
I think you can change, but I think you need to buy it to change the color.
We don't have this car.
We have this color, like you have to buy the new color.
All right.
Contemplate it. Abhi just use this color. Let's just use this.
All right.
So we have. So currently, moment I'll just show them what all we have in the garage at the moment. Sorry, मैं तुमसे controller तुमसे ले लिया मैंने. So at the moment, these are the cars which we have. We have the Mustang. We have the Audi R7, RS4, the monoback. We have the M3 and the M5, the M5 1995 version. We have the Bugatti Chiron as well, the 2018 version. We have the Stingray, which is the cover car of this game. From that we have Stingrays, a Corvette.
Viper too, right? Dodge.
This is a cult classic car. I can tell you that.
Dodge is love, yaar. Also Enzo Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari, 22.
Dude, we have the Enzo Ferrari. This was actually a funny story about this game, this specific car. मुझे मिली थी जब मैं एक रेस हार गया था.
You remember Ford versus Ferrari? It was there.
Yeah. It was one of the cover cars there in that movie. So we have Ford Bronco. This is the cover car. One of the.
Do you have anything in Cobra?
We have the Formula Drift. We have these. We have two Jaguars. One is a Trailcat, and then there's an
Miata.
And then we have the Miata. The world famous Miata. Then the Senna, which was the cover car of the last year game. We have Mini Cooper S. We have the Mosler. This is the second fastest car in the game. I painted it myself. Yours truly painted it.
All right.
You can give me the credits. Then we have the Fair Lady. This is the lady. We have the Skyline.
All right, I'll choose the car now. I'll get the Porsche. 911.
And we have the Spider. And we have the GT Supra. A white body.
Get the
Supra.
911.
Okay. So yeah.
95. Yep. Let's go.
So we're getting into the 911 at the moment. I'll get it. Sure.
Can I choose my playlist?
Playlist set by the game.
Alright, go.
Okay, so you need to choose a location and then you have to go into the photo. Yeah. So we're going to go into the first location.
Yeah, getting it. Go for it. Alright, I'll choose the map then.
Go along with the map.
Where you wanna go? Which one is like best area for photos?
I think
maybe a long highway or something like that, or maybe a cityscape.
I
have something.
I think with the Miatas, I think we have the Porsche 911 and the Porsche looks best inside in the big mountains. So I think we should go towards the mountains for this one.
Quite strange. There.
I think we should go for the mountains this way. Like mountains are up there. Yeah,
Right.
there's the mountain.
Alright. How about this?
Yeah, just go maybe this location.
Oh, or we can get this location, right?
Yeah, we can go to this
Yeah,
location.
nice background for the mountains.
Okay, let's go.
Then we can go into the bay part. Done?
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
Press B.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's drive. And we will see you when we reach there. And we will see you when we reach there. Because ये रास्ता करीब 4 किलोमीटर दूर है और हमारा पहला क्रैश हो चुका है. हमारा पहला क्रैश ऑलरेडी हो चुका है.
Okay, not a driver.
हमारा भाई
Ah.
भाई तुम्हारी कार फिर क्रैशेस पड़ रहा है. तुम क्या इसकी फोटो लोगे?
Turn right.
That's a dusty cat. Big body man.
Hey, once again, like front brakes are from bay, right?
And the back brakes and it is wheel lock.
The top speed of this car?
Maybe 210, 200. That's the maximum.
Oh shit.
Another crash. And there is somebody who did that.
No one died.
We will cut this. Cut.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Please
Later
cut
cut this
it.
point.
Hey, वहीं है यहाँ पे
This is the. यहाँ पे dip zone होते हैं बहुत अच्छे वाले. We're pretty much near the place. You see the background.
Yeah, actually that is.
So you wanna stop
I
somewhere?
can also get a picture here, you know.
You can try. You can go to the photo booth. Right here. Just park the car.
Right. On the spot.
So we're finding a spot right here.
Okay.
I think this depends. I think you should turn the car so the background will be off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I think it's
Getting blank space or something like that. Yeah, that.
Recalculating route.
maybe turn
200 meters. Turn sharp right.
There's a lot of grass. Bit of lawnmower.
Yeah, both.
And now let's go into the photo mode. Press up.
Yep.
Press this one. So you're in the rewind.
Yeah, select. Right?
Wait, no. Press.
Alright.
Yeah, so we are loading in the photo mode and now you can control the drone.
Okay, got it.
Now you can just basically put the camera anywhere you want and that's how your drone will be.
Mm-hmm. And how will we, zoom and all this stuff?
Yeah, you have to go basically inside.
these things. Right?
If you want to zoom, you have
These are like up and down.
yeah.
Okay. So okay. Then how about?
You can also change a lot of things here. Wait, I'll just show you. I'll show it to you.
I want this picture.
Wait, let me just take this picture then.
Okay.
We will take this
No,
picture.
I actually tilted a bit. More sky in the back. Nope. Subject should be right. I guess maybe a bit more. Yeah, this is fine. Also, can I get turn off the lights?
Turn off the lights.
Yeah.
Let me just try to do that. Resetting any cosmetic damage. And then we have the FX mode.
Okay.
Okay,
Car
then we
lights.
have the shutter speed and stuff, which you are
Alright.
pretty much good at it. So we'll let Idhat do all of this. Yes, turn off the lights. Okay, what do you feel like? Temperature?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, a bit more. Yeah, it's a desert scene, so temperature can be a bit more.
No.
You can reduce the brightness.
No, not really.
I think we should reduce the contrast.
I'm getting a more contrast so that I can get more sharpness because it's like this is the max graphics, right?
Yeah, this is the maximum. This is like second highest graphics.
Which value?
But there's no difference between this and the other one.
This doesn't matter right now, right?
Tracking.
Yeah.
No, the focus. That's your focal
Doesn't
length.
matter, right? Okay.
That's your shutter speed.
All right. And that. Oh shit. Sorry.
No. So, are you fine with this?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna change the angle a bit.
Just press Y.
60, okay.
That's a really high shutter speed for an outdoor shot.
No, I wanna turn the camera something like that.
I should turn the camera. So you have to press Y. to toggle.
Why? Okay. You have to tell me the commands. I don't know that.
I'll share you the commands. Just keep playing it. Just whatever you want. Just you'll keep asking. And once you get the hang of it, you'll basically toggle the driver. So basically, the driver is sitting inside.
Okay.
You want to disable it? The temperature is a bit high. Okay.
Wait. I'll manage that.
You're seeing. You will see all the changes in real time here.
Alright.
This is the aperture. It's the bokeh.
Okay. So basically, this is bokeh mode.
Sampling is quality set.
Okay. Can I do that? How do I, get back to the camera adjustment?
Just press Y.
Okay. Also, I want to remove this, like basic,
What do you say?
like no bokeh.
No bokeh. Just go to the last one.
Sexy.
No, the bokeh will be there. You have to like increase the aperture like for
Okay,
remove that.
got it.
Aperture should
Actually,
be reduced.
I have to decrease and just go back a
It
bit.
should go focus.
Can I just get back the camera movement?
Wait, I'll just show it to you. I'll just show you to the basics.
Okay.
Like this is how you get the cameras, right?
Alright,
Press
okay.
Y.
I got it. Wait.
You have to press Y to go into the camera thing, and then you have to go back to the FX mode. Yes, press OK. Oh, we're getting creative in the shots. We're getting getting creative.
This, I guess this works better.
Okay, press OK.
No, I was getting down. Then I clicked
Okay.
it. Yeah.
It's so funny how we are seeing these challenges in this game.
Alright, now can I work more with focus and sorry, can I remove this out of focus thing?
You have to press Y. for
Why?
that.
Okay.
And then you have to go into the focus thing. Go in the focus. Oh, it's okay.
Focus mode.
No. Yeah, go into tracking. Yeah, and then go down. Focus number go बढ़ा दो और the focus number will take a lot of things for focus. See. Now you have just turned it to 100. Almost nothing will be in focus, and then if you reduce it to 1, almost everything will be in focus now.
Got it. It's just
Okay, we have to like stay in the middle. You have to stay in the middle.
so tough, man. Give me my DSLR. I'll just get it done in like 5 seconds.
That's the challenge. You have to like work with these settings.
Alright. Okay.
क्या but okay, we're getting some good shots.
Not really. Not really. It's very challenging for me.
Pass the chips, bro. Pass the chips. I need my tuck.
Yeah.
Give me my cracks. Okay. These will work for the moment.
Alright. Can I now? I should take a picture, right?
You just press A.
Okay. What do we? How do we say?
Go press A.
Yeah. I didn't adjust the focus. I had to do that. The focus thingy.
Wait.
I want this angle. I liked it. I just want that focus thing.
Okay. This.
Yeah, this works.
So we have a good bokeh in the mountains. The mountains are out of focus at the moment. And now we should take a picture.
Yeah, I want to take a picture now.
Let's take a picture. Processing the photo. We continue, and then we save the photo. Wait.
So this is my first picture of the day.
Yeah.
Finally, काफी challenging थी.
Type it as. We'll save it as Sid.
Do.
Pick.
Can we do same challenge in Doom Eternal? I would love that.
Yeah, we can do it. Actually, we can do it. Subscribe for the next video. There will be a photo challenge in Doom Eternal.
Also, if you want, I can say, oh yeah, you should do that thing where you know people comment and just choose the random video game because you have tons of games, right?
Yeah, I love. Guys, you should know I love gaming and I have hundreds and
Okay,
hundreds.
second one. Game.
Let's go for a second one, and this time I'll give you a car. Wait.
No, wait. I want
Oh, you
one
want
more
more
shot in
pictures?
this car. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're getting creative right here. I see a lot of balloons in the air. I mean,
Can I
that's-
go more up? You know,
I mean, that's the height that you can go.
this is the max.
Yep.
Okay.
That's how you change the focal
Yeah.
length.
Gotcha. Ah. This is very tricky. Okay. Can you move the car while taking a picture?
Uh-huh.
No. Okay.
Like you have to jump in the car, shift it, then.
Got it. No problem. This is pretty much a good cinematic video if you look like,
I mean, if you want, I can just cut it out, this part from the video itself. It can be a cinematic video.
Alright. Do that challenge, I guess.
I think you should increase the
Yeah, I'll do that. Wait.
Yeah, now it looks much better. I mean, if you want, you can go far and get a zoomed in shot on the headlight or something.
I wanted a wide one. Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much something like this,
Okay, that's a good one.
Just get something better. I want to balance the both.
Now,
trees.
the guys, you're seeing pro photography.
Okay. No,
Pro
not so
photography
but,
here.
it's pretty much challenging, but I'm having fun, so yeah, it's fine.
I mean, you have to edit these pictures as well in the end.
Alright, I can do that. That's my job.
Pass me the nutcut, yaar. Nutcut by miss kar raha hu yaar. Comment, drop a comment if you guys love nutcut. Not sponsored, bro.
Alright, this is my money. Please
Bro
return.
sponsored it for me.
Alright, now the effects, right?
Yeah.
How do you do the aperture thingy?
Huh?
How do you do the aperture thingy?
You have to focus on the headlight, right?
Yeah.
Press Y
Why?
and then press X.
And then press X.
Yeah, it's focused on the headlight at the moment.
Okay. Okay. Can I change the horizon a bit,
Or
I
how?
wanted to, yeah, this.
No, it looks good.
Okay. I am preferring this one. I don't know why, but loving it, giving it a motion kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of it's giving a little bit of motion.
Also, can I get a bokeh here?
Like you can just reduce the aperture.
All right.
Press Y.
That's fine, I guess. Play with colors a bit more, I guess. Also temperature. Alright. There we go.
Okay, press A.
I can, edit the thing, like whole picture and, do the panning thing in the background. That works, right? Yeah, I'm post-processing. Yeah, now, okay, can I change the car?
A.
Say,
Now save this.
new photo, right? Two. Done.
You have two pictures now.
Uh-huh. Now on a classic.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Ah. See, keyboard. Not this.
So let's change the car. I mean, do you want me to do that for you?
Nah, I'll figure it out. I did. No, one more bag. One more. No. Shit.
Go to cars.
Cars.
Upper button, upper button, upper R2, R1, R1. हाँ. Change car.
car, right?
Okay, let's choose some classics.
How about a coupe, you know? Something like this.
The Corbett would look good in the city, yaar. We have the old town here.
Okay. Just the old town, okay.
We have the old town of like Casabella in the game, so like it's pretty colorful. Like it's a pretty colorful place to click pictures of the old vehicles.
Then I guess. That's all we have, right?
Mm-hmm.
Phew. Tough choice, man. Let's see. Where is this location?
Mountain. I will come in winter season. Hey, we can go into the
In
town.
100 meters, turn sharp right. Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Open the map. Down is far away, dude.
Oh, I wanted something here.
I mean, what you can do is you can lift the car and then just up the distance and you stop the time there. And then let's take that picture.
Now.
Press
Can
up.
we get a picture here?
Yeah, press up. Now press up. And let's go down. Press up. Up. Yeah, now into the photo mode.
Alright. Yeah, it's what I wanted to do. Okay. So, first one we can get it from.
We're getting smoky in here.
Actually. Also, we have these. Okay. Got it.
Damn, son. Press X to focus.
Dude, you keep on, doing that thing. I don't know why you like this.
भाई अच्छा लगता है खाने में.
So bad. Okay. Okay, right. The Y, right?
I mean, if you reduce the shutter speed, the smoke will be more blur.
Yeah, I know. Got it. Just like getting used to the settings.
And put the sampling to quality.
Sorry, what?
Put the sampling to quality. Sampling.
Alright.
The crowd is well, wow.
Yeah.
Like, do you want to tell these guys like what kind of shots are we like planning? Like, what is why okay like?
Alright. For this shot, I'm like looking for the the background. We have so many colors: the yellow, the blues, and red. But on the logo, we are getting the reflection right there. You see. So, kind of looking forward to it. Like, let's see. I'm still thinking. So yeah. I'm still confused about the angle because meanwhile I'm also looking for a bokeh from sun. But all right. Still a thought process, Oh, sharp, yeah. I guess I can edit that thing in Photoshop better. The sun, right? All right. Post processing.
We're getting feisty in here.
Actually, I wanna do this. Hmm. Okay. And that's the third picture. How is it? How is it?
I mean,
Come on.
I'll leave the prediction to the fans here,
All right.
viewers here. वो लोग देख के बताएंगे कैसा लग रहा है.
Oh shit.
And also
Focusing.
photo, it's out of focus. Press B.
Ah.
Press X.
This is fine.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Fine. Why did that thing happen?
What?
Why it went out of focus?
That's right.
Now it's fine, right? Oh, okay. Now it's fine.
Press A to save it. Save a new photo and give it a name. Set 2.
It's set 3. Down to 3. Now I'll do one more thing. Okay, fine. I'll do.
Okay, let's choose a different location. Let's go to the jungle.
Just give me one more.
Oh, I see the.
Can I get one more picture for this car?
Hmm?
Can I get one more picture for this car?
Oh, go ahead.
Alright. Yeah, this is fine.
Oh, yeah, this is looking good.
Actually, you know what? Wait up.
We're going for the quarter angle.
I'm not done with the angle yet, but yeah. Can say.
I think we're going for the 3x4 view, maybe.
You can say that, but.
So for those of you who
looking
don't know
for
what is
more
3x4
drama,
view, this is
Yeah.
called the 3x4 view.
You know, I'm getting the smoke, but I'm also not liking it on the other side. So I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, you do that thing. Tell people about the 3x4 view.
So basically the 3x4 view is where we see three sides of the car. We see the front, we see the side, and we maybe can get a glimpse of a top or maybe the bottom. So that creates three sides of a four square.
Alright, I guess I'm done. Okay. Can I get more? Okay. No, not really. I want to do this. Okay. Fine. Yeah, I guess I'm done. Ah, no. Shit. How to go back? Why?
Yeah.
No, it's reset to default. Shit, man.
You can always change it as per your choice. There's no restrictions on what you can do and what you cannot do in this game.
Alright, I guess I am ready to get one.
You press X to focus.
Wait. Okay.
I love the last wheel which is getting smoked.
Yep. Me too.
I think we can add a bit of more motion blur by increasing the shadow
Nope,
speed.
this is fine. I wanted to get a star
Okay.
shadow there. Yeah, that's there.
Then press X to focus.
Sorry, not here. Actually, focus should be this side. Yeah, this is fine.
Press X to focus. Okay. Now to take the to take the picture, just press
Yep.
A.
Now I'm ready. Yeah, it'll just final review.
Okay, let's just take this picture then.
Okay. This can go something like somewhere this. This is fine. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm done. Yeah, click.
Press A.
Whew, we are down to 4. Just
Down
one
to
more.
4. One more to go. And this time I'll choose the car and the location for you.
Sure thing.
Press A to save.
Yes, I'm getting a hang of this, so yeah, I can do that.
Let's see how to do it. Save this photo please for me. Let's name it set 4. And we have another picture saved. Now let me do the digging for you. Let's just share this file with the community. And then we will exit the photo mode and then we will go to our last location to do our last image. Okay, so this time the car I'll be choosing is one of my favorites. You will be photographing the McLaren Senna.
Oh, alright.
Or maybe let's get a bit more. Let's get a bit more and more out of you. Let's challenge you to something. First, let me take you to the location. So we will first drive to the location. Let's drive in my favorite, the Bugatti Chiron. This is
car.
my first.
Okay.
This is my first supercar, and we will take the most unobvious thing to do with this car.
Can we get some icy location?
I mean, we can go on the top.
This side, I guess there's ice, right?
That's
The
desert.
bike. Okay, that works too.
This is desert.
Can you get me in this road? I can get the sea, right?
Yeah, I think we can do that. Wait, let's just go
Yeah,
there.
let's go there. But
We have the Bugatti Chiron in the house.
Turn left.
This is a legendary super. This is a hypercar. Look at those seats. Look at those seats. We got a bus on there. That's a new personal bus. Okay, we're driving down the road. We are going to the and we are in the new leaderboard as well. The handling of this car is amazing. Like, this was my first supercar which I got in the game, and dude, I'm in love with it. This handles so good. It just sticks to the road. We are about to reach the location as well. Wow. बहुत तेज कार है भाई, मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ। मैं बोल रहा हूँ बड़े बंदी है, we'll buy this car someday.
oh, damn. Okay. See, can you get there? Even there? Not like
Cut.
you should cut it, actually.
We are at the seas. We are at the 7 seas. We have the mountains, and we are giving our car to finally.
You made the car.
कंट्रोल तुम्हारे हाथ में, अब चाबी तुम्हें दे भी भाई। आज गाड़ी की तरह चलाएंगे।
400 meters. Turn left.
We're getting this good location. Okay, we are doing a mid-air shot.
Alright, not quite done, but shit, not really. Can we get back and
Okay,
do
just
that
press
again?
B. Press B. Yes.
Oh shit. Missed by that. Okay.
Okay, we are in the wall. Oh damn!
Yeah.
Nice. I think if you reduce the shutter speed, we can get a
Yep.
nice blur in
I
these
know.
waters.
I know, man. I'm just looking for the view, perfect one. Also, the camera.
This is the
Some
first time you're
splashes.
ever seeing a Bugatti Chiron inside water, swimming in the water.
Pretty heavy budget,
I think we got the maximum budget for this video as we could
Alright.
have.
This is gonna be my best picture, I guess. Till now.
I guess the last one is always the best.
Okay.
Let's reduce the shutter speed to whatever reduce we can. Oh yeah. Now press X to focus. Oh yeah.
More motion, bro.
I think you chose the wrong
No,
preset.
I wanted to do the blur thing.
हाँ तो just reduce it ना.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you exited?
What? Wait, what?
What are you doing?
Oh shit. Can I rewind and do that again?
Nope.
Why?
Because you just edited the game. Game is reset, bro.
Oh,
You have to go and do it the stunt again.
I'll do that. Cut it.
Cut. इतना part कैसे लगा? Edit साहब काट दी. Edit साहब काट दीजिए इतना part.
You have arrived at your destination.
You're right, the water does not work in the game the way it does in real life. Yeah, I think we should turn back. We'll take a U-turn. The rain is even coming out.
Yeah, we got the birds.
We got. Oh yeah.
I was waiting for that. Yeah, waiting for this to happen.
I think Siddharth is getting way too comfortable with this now, with my computer and my game.
Uh-huh. Who do you think I am, man?
Oh my god, the blur is for real. Damn, son.
Damn, son, right.
We got the Chiron in there. We got the birds in there. Nice. We got the wide angle camera out.
Alright, let's surpass our limits. Let's be yummy.
Yeah, you can literally surpass the limits in this game. Like, how could you do this in real life? There is no way to do this in real
Alright,
life.
I'll get 3 pictures here. Okay, the first one I'm planning is... Okay, wait. Give me one more thing. Okay.
Just look at the tail light of the Chiron. I love this, bro. I love this.
Okay. I guess we are pretty much there. Just give me one more. We are there. This is my first shot.
Okay.
This. How's
Press
it?
A.
Ari?
Press A. To save it. Damn.
One more.
Press A. Let's save it first. Let's save it
Oh,
first.
sorry.
If you don't save it,
All right to waste. Set 5.
this will be saved.
This can be, your thumbnail. Spreading
थंबनेल
my-
पे तो चाहिए तुमको वाह हाँ हाँ मेरी वीडियो का आइडिया मेरे दोस्त देते हैं मुझे नाइस that's the thing one thing which I want in my life.
Okay. Wait.
Let's go for the other one.
Yeah. Wait. Hold up.
The
This
blur is good.
Yeah. Then actually, you don't have to go.
Okay, nice middle placement. Okay, nice side placement. The headlight of the Chiron is pretty unique. The 4 squares which you see.
Okay. Now the settings, right? This is why. I don't want to get a motion blur, so yeah.
So you want to stop the car in the tracks.
Yep. I want to get those splashes.
That will be good.
Tracking and focus should be less exposed. No, this is fine.
I think we should increase the colors in this one.
Yeah. I'm like looking for an option there. Yeah, you said we should do that in quality.
Yeah, it's in the quality.
Okay. Contrast is there, no colors.
Oh yeah, the Chiron looks so good in this color scheme. We can get a bit of vignetting in this as well.
No, not really, man. I'm getting a cool vibe here, so yeah. But sands are there, so okay. Let's see. Wait, let me think. Promote.
I think you're getting a bit of there's a lot of bokeh in there. The water looks really milky.
No, I guess.
Do you remember what our teacher used to teach us? How do you get the milky waters and how
No,
to
I'm okay with that. I did that, but I guess it's like resetting again when I press X.
Yeah, basically,
See?
yeah.
So how do I do that?
But first you place the camera and then you press X, then it focuses.
Right, also the sign is also nice. Everything is going to the perspective.
Yeah. So actually, what's happening is this shutter speed is very very low. It's 16. So yeah, like it is basically doing. You have to basically like increase your shutter speed to 120 or something.
Okay. Yeah. So now, how do I do that?
Reduce the shutter speed.
Reduce it.
Yeah.
I did that. I did that. How did it happen again?
Because your fingers are not under your control.
Okay. That's very much. Okay.
No. See, that's what I'm saying.
How do I get it
What?
back to the focus mode?
Just press Y. You can literally see there, yeah, in the bottom command लिखे हुए हैं.
See? I
This is
did
the
that.
reason why we don't trust people don't trust the photographers with this stuff.
Okay. This works. Nope.
Can you like explain to the viewers what is a bokeh?
See, I guess I'm a bit busy right now. Should do that because I'm very frustrated with this.
ए भाई viewers है इज्जत से
I'm frustrated with you, not the viewers. Come on, man.
we can do it later as well.
Yeah, I will do that. I'll give you a brief about all 5 pictures we do.
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Like in
I
the
guess
end, we'll
7
have,
pictures or
in the end, we will have our little session about how we did this and how we did that.
See, this is better, but I guess graphics are not that kind of great, so that we can get a droplet or something like that.
We can get those droplets.
We can't, right?
We can. You have to like increase that
What?
aperture settings. Aperture is set to 0.
But then there are splashes in the camera, so yeah. That's why I didn't do that. See,
So-
there are splashes in the camera, so it would be reflecting on the surface. Here, see, you can literally see them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Stop change. Okay, let's see.
Just X2 focus.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, that's the problem.
What?
There are splashes in the camera, so that you are getting the drops. You know?
These are not the drop. These are the water which is in the air.
No, this is the cam. See?
This is the water in
See?
the air.
Okay, wait. See? See that again?
Wait. Let me see. Let me check. You are in the water.
See?
Yeah, the camera is in the water.
Exactly my point.
Okay, that's why. Okay, let's reset the cosmetic changes in the car. Okay, that'll be great. And then we will do this. I think we should. I think I can try something right here. This is the classic Bugatti shot. The classic Bugatti shot. And now we should just increase the focal length. Increase the shutter speed to maximum.
100?
And
Not
then-
100, man.
And then aperture. Oh my god, what the fuck is going
You
on?
just can't do everything 100 and get a picture.
Let me try something. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting
Nope.
somewhere.
Nope.
Reduce the aperture. Yes, see? See?
Alright.
I think I'm getting a hang of
It's
this.
not DSLR.
See?
Whoosh. Whoosh,
Okay.
man, do that again. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a panning shot. Like the
yeah.
camera will pan.
No, do the tracking, not panning. Yeah, this is nice. Actually, you are getting the, speed,
The
motion,
speed, yeah, motion.
and meanwhile you are also getting the.
So we'll change
Wait,
this.
wait. Can I get a full view of picture?
A full view of the picture, yeah. Just process the photo.
Let me see. This is actually nice. Can you just tilt it a bit?
Tilt it a bit. Okay, let's tilt it a bit. A bit.
No, the opposite. The opposite. Too much. Just to the horizon. Towards. More. A bit more. Upwards. Yeah, this is nice.
Nice. Okay, let's play with the effects. We shall just reduce it to 0, and then I think we can get the headlights on.
Yeah, this is looking cool.
A bit of temperature. No.
Nah, don't do that, man.
This is a cool car. This is
Don't
literally
do
a
that,
cool
man.
car. Cool car. I'll put it to quality, and then we can maybe try some of this. Yeah. Okay, we're getting a lot of. Wait, I'm just not understanding the game. If I reduce this to 0, what will happen? Okay, the droplets are in focus.
See, that's what I said. But
इसमें
the
उल्टा है.
graphics are, yeah. See, exactly my point. There's droplets on the camera. There are also droplets here. So the thing is, when you do that, they merge together and get this thing.
Oh fuck. This is what.
Okay, I'll do one more, mid-air shot.
Let's
I guess we are done
save
for the
this
day.
one.
Let's do this, Arib. Oh. Done.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Beep. What the beep was that?
See, this is your assignment video, right? Don't do that.
Sure, yeah. Sorry, ma'am. If you see this. Sorry, ma'am. गलती से हो गया, ma'am. वो निकल जाता है, गलती से.
Okay, let's go now.
गलती से निकल गई थी. Oh, that's a good shot.
Nope, not here. I guess we are done for the world.
You're exiting. I think we can go in the city. Just not been in the city, yeah.
We'll do a jumping shot. I told you.
Get some control on the car. Yeah. Come on, top boy. Really dumb to press one. Yes, now. Okay, that's too late.
No. Oh shit.
That's too late. There's literally nothing under this car. It's flat.
Wait. We can tilt the horizons right.
Fuck. This is getting privy now. This is getting privy.
Are we in the air or what? No, I guess we can't do that. No, we can't. We have to land it first.
Yeah, let's land it first. The car looks much
Oh
better.
shit.
The car was meant to kiss the ground, not the air. Not to fuck with the air. We're getting good time doing this. Yeah.
Nice, we
Now
got it.
if you just go back. And there's
Okay. Did we do the 8 thing or not? I just wanna see that.
I think we should go up.
Mm-hmm.
Go
We
up.
did not.
Go up.
See.
Go up now.
Wait. No, we did not. I guess this is the max up we can do. We did the 3, not 8.
The Bugatti logo looks like a 3. You can see right there. At the back. At the back. The Bugatti logo is at the back.
No, I'm gonna click a picture.
Oh, you want to click the picture? Yeah. We're finally getting the last picture, like the last picture of this car here. With this car. Not the last picture of the game, but the last picture with this car. We have one more thing. We have not been to the city at the moment. हमें city भी जाना है अभी.
We can also do that. No?
क्या?
Can get one more picture for the city.
Yeah, we will get a picture for the city.
Alright.
We need to get a picture with the city because the city looks beautiful in this game.
Yeah, I am done.
Let's take the picture then.
Wait. Just one more thing.
For the Bugatti and still focus.
Now, I guess I am a bit more dead towards the horizon. Okay.
The winglets look great on this car.
Yeah, now.
This looks good.
Wait.
इसमें उल्टा है मतलब इसमें शटर
Yeah.
स्पीड अगर कम होगी.
No, the thing is, this is not about the car speed. This is about the camera which is moving along with the car. Right?
We're like basically
Makes
flying a
more
drone.
sense actually.
We are basically flying a drone actually.
Yeah.
And the drone,
So
these are
you
all
have to
drone
think
shots.
it like that. Don't think it like a car speed. You can think someone is running with a camera with the car, so you have to plan accordingly.
I did not understand a
Yeah,
single
I
word you
guess
said.
I'm done. I can click it, right?
I can click it. Press A. Click it.
Okay. Final shot of the day.
No. You have no fucking clue where your fingers go.
Seriously, man, I'm not used to joystick.
I don't know how do you get used to your girlfriend. Okay, let's click this photo.
Damn, son.
Let's save this photo. Save it as a new
This looks
photo.
like a wallpaper, man. You should use it.
I can use this for my own
Thumbnail. Said
thumbnail,
what?
not the thumbnail.
Said what?
Said 7,
Alright.
not the 907.
Yeah.
We have saved this one and we are sharing this file to the community as well. If you want to see, you can search me on Xbox Gamer Tag and you'll find all these
You
images
should
on
also
there.
share it on Discord, I guess. You have a channel there, right?
Yeah, we have that.
Yeah. So that.
Links in the description, bro. Links in the description.
Also, I do Injustice 2 videos too.
We
So
are
that we
doing-
can do the live streaming on Discord and
We are doing that.
yeah, we are doing that next, right?
Yeah, we are doing that next.
Injustice
Okay.
2.
Let's go to the last.
Yeah,
place,
last thing.
which is the city. Finally, we're going inside the city. And there it is.
See, hey Arif, there was one more thing in this one, right? There was a plane mission.
We're getting inside the city. Another plane mission, but we cannot click pictures there.
We cannot.
The plane won't allow us because we cannot try that. For that, we'll pull out the second fastest car in the game,
Alright.
the Joker Mosler.
Okay.
This car is more than 1,000 horsepower and this horse is running for it. There we go. Fun fact, this was my favorite car.
Throw it.
Only for you, man.
In 400
Actually, fun fact, this was my favorite car in Forza Horizon 4. And I drove this car for almost every single day that I played.
turn right.
Allowed me to play it. And my friends were really angry at it and because you should just choose this one car and this should be the second fastest car in the game. And the Forza was 4 as well. So you get the point. Everybody was still angry for using this car. 20% getting the race without even doing something. See, we are already at 340 kilometers per hour.
Damn.
This car is too nuts. This car is
20 models. Don't drive it.
Don't try this at Don't try this shit at home. So fun fact, if you get all of these information, you basically get a lot of experience by this movie. And there are 200 of them. And they are scattered all over the map. And some are even like hard to get. Like you have to perform specific stunts to get those. Pro! The pro, bitch! The pro! Driving at the casual 300 speed. Just casually driving at 300, 310. Just casually driving. Got a 296. And another goal. But I'll just sit it. I'm about to reach the city. Yes, we can see the middle.
400 meters. Turn right.
I'm up.
I know this car is hard to control, but at least try to control it. Stop by the tree. The trees in this game are indestructible. Trees in this game are indestructible.
We're almost there, I guess.
In 400 meters. Turn right.
See the city. You have the city. We can just get this shot maybe. Wait, I think we can get this one.
No, don't.
Casablanca.
No, no. Please, no. God, no.
Casablanca, bitch.
No, Toby, no. No, Toby, no.
Why so serious? I think we'll get in the city and find the location. And we smash somebody's small business. Sorry, bro.
100 meters, turn right.
Okay, yeah, fine.
So we're in the city, right?
In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right.
We'll do the different car. We'll not flip the first one.
200 meters,
Everybody
turn
knows how
left.
fast it is and we don't need to tell people. And also destroy some small
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
I don't even ruin that Starbucks.
That's Starbucks. That's Starbucks. Starbucks.
100 meters,
Alas,
you
no
will arrive at your
Bro, it's
destination.
Mexican, bro. Okay.
You have arrived at your destination.
Okay, let me get this car.
There's something inside. See? There's a peanut. Fine.
Can we get some good pictures inside? If you remember, this is also the scene of one film, The Rise of Brian, that all was underground.
Yeah, second one.
Remember? The same place where he did the parkour.
Oh, okay.
And Brian Brown was driving around here. They were right here. And he jumped from this bike. So you're in the city now. And the car. Wait, I was supposed to give the car as well. Wait,
Yeah.
let's give you the
We're
car.
not doing this car, right? We are doing some other.
We are doing one of my favorites.
How
here.
about mono?
And we can try the mono, but mono is meant to be ridden in the track, not
true.
a street car. Now we will do this the pure American car.
Yeah, this one.
We're doing the pure American car. Yeah. The brand supreme of cars.
Extremely slow.
It's called bro. It's luxury, bro. Casually cruising down the streets. Try not to smash one of the most expensive cars in the world.
Feels good.
There's somebody trying to sabotage us. Oh, we're getting a tunnel shot here.
Yeah, I was thinking about tunnel is not that great, you know.
I mean, you can get a James Bond kind of shot here.
Not really, man. I would like to do something else. Nah. Bombing the idea.
Let's
Sure.
go out. Let's go out.
All. Because tunnel is not
Smash the boat, smash the boat, smash the boat, smash the boat. Not the Kamla. What the plants did to you, man? What did the plant do to you, man?
I was taking that 1000. It was very slow. ये वो वाली एक्टिवा चला रही है। अरे Yeah, good location.
There's a girl who is looking at your car.
I got it. What?
Say hi to her.
Very slow. I'm like holding the phone.
That's the fastest.
It's so slow.
Bro, it's a fucking 80s का कार है भाई ये.
Still, man, it's just 80.
उस समय इंजन इंडियन कंबस्टन इंजन भी इवॉल्व नहीं हुआ था.
Ever heard about Cobra? Just thinking of something like this, but you know the speed of this car, so I guess we should not do that. You know the race track vibe? Can I remove the... No, okay. We should not remove the driver, right?
नहीं था.
But I'm not really liking this car, man.
That
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Literally moving on 17. Come on.
it's just pure अंग्रेजी का सफर. You know this car has no traction or
Ah. I was like, you know, trying to do a drift.
this car was meant to be driven around and used to be like a race track, not drift.
City Square, we should do a drift.
Think like really easy.
Oh my god. Can you see me drifting?
I'm not even good.
Oh my god. Arey, I can't. I just can't click a picture of this car, man.
You have to, bro. You have to. That's challenge, or you lose the challenge.
What do I get if I win? That's the real question here.
We will discuss that after the video.
Okay. Sure, I would love to discuss that.
Yeah, sure. Someday we will do it.
Not very, you know, funky shot here. I'm just like trying to do
A retro-looking shot with the
Yeah.
colors in the background.
yeah, pretty much. Okay, so camera, but
How do I comprehend this shot?
give me
We're
a
getting a
sec.
nice perspective in here. If you see, the lines are very aligning with the car.
Yeah, I know. I'm just thinking about should we get the sky a bit or leave it? Just confused on that. Also, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is wrong with this boy?
Zoom it on him. Like maybe he's just enjoying the. Just you know, don't
Oh my
don't
god.
hate on my boy, man. Don't hate on my boy. Like he's just trying to. You know,
Oh
live
my
the way.
god.
I mean, getting a call.
Alright, cut.
Cut the call for the moment. Cut the call for the moment.
Oh my god, can I get this shot or what? It's not a boy, first of all.
It's a tomboy.
Okay. Okay, we won't. Let's just.
Let's
focus
not.
on
Let us not do that this time.
Yeah.
Ooh, a nice wide perspective.
Okay, so. Yeah. Okay, so, about shutter.
Okay, you can put it to the maximum.
Yeah, we have to. I want to get a foreground. We can't do that without it. Okay, about the contrast, yeah, we should get some brightness. Definitely yes. About the temperature, I want to get some
Hotness. Nah, the cool will look much better.
cool atmosphere. So yeah.
The city of Casablanca is much more cooler than you think. Ah, you get it?
Ah, yeah, should be driver. Okay, okay. Crowd, yeah, remove it please. Thank you.
I think we can just create more colors. Put it to quality. Yeah. I think we can make use of more colors in this picture because the city is very colorful.
Give me one more second, man. Just like adjusting the angle, and we will do that again. Okay, now we'll do that. First of all, the colors. Not temperature, no. Okay, brightness. More sharpness, I guess. Car light should be enabled. Looks better, right?
Mm-hmm.
I will disable trying to just enable nothing else. Alright. Should get one now, I guess. Oh, yeah.
You should just focus on the car first and then put the camera there.
Wait. We are also getting the driver in this one. We're talking about the.
I love the hat which is playing. You know, that was my choice to make him wear a hat. Or if you want, we just won. I think today I won a pencil dress which was legendary.
Yeah, you got a pencil dress, right? You were telling me.
Which is a legendary dress for a man.
Okay, legendary for a man. Okay, let's not go there.
Yeah, sure.
Let's not.
I mean, we are studying fashion, right? We are studying fashion.
Oh, man. Here we go. Okay, I guess ready.
Let's focus. I think so.
And I'm done for the day.
I think you are pretty much done for the day. And now we will just review. Let's say this picture.
Let me know which one you like most. For me, I'll also choose. Let's see.
Sedate. Now let's view our gallery. What all do we have here now? We'll exit the photo mode now. We'll jump into the gallery and let's see what we have here now. Okay.
This is a gallery, man.
Wait, I think I have a new message there. Oh, this is news. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, we getting wait.
Porsche 918 Spider.
We're getting the 20th anniversary livery in this. Wait, what the? How did I not know about that? The Spider 18 is getting a special paint for free.
Okay.
This is the Spider. Then we can just jump in the car.
Oh, this is a new edition.
Not that fast.
Bro, I wanna check the pictures first.
I think we can get a good picture here. Ooh.
It's pretty cool.
And the green is matching the green.
Yeah. But man, we are done for the day, man. Come on.
Let's get this one last one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking cool. Zoom in a bit. No. Remove the driver.
Just
What is
disabled.
disabled?
Oh. Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's like
Yeah,
the car
yeah.
is drifting. The
Got it.
driver has to be there.
Got
Like
it.
how will a car drift on its own? Common sense, right?
Comments.
Let's just get the colors muted down a bit. Yeah, much better. Let's get the contrast a bit up. Let's get this exposure dialed correctly.
Nope. Too much. Yeah. This is okay.
And then let's reduce the focal length. Yup.
That's perfect.
And I'll drag the shot and I'll turn it to quality, and the bokeh will be circle. And then
Nice, we are done. Yeah, it's perfectly merging situation.
yes, some vignetting. Take the photo. We took the photo of a legendary car, you know. Save it. Do the honors, sir. Do the honors. Yeah, type my name. Yeah, yeah. What the fuck is Ari Boo Boo Boo?
I don't know. I just typed it.
People will think something wrong is going on.
All
here.
right. All right.
That file is already saved now. You cannot change the name.
I just wanna check pictures. Come on.
Now let's just review the gallery. How the fuck it looks. Exit this. And then let's.
Turn around when it's just safe.
And then we'll see the creative store. Photo mode.
You had to go to photo library.
Oh yeah, sorry.
The gallery.
Okay. So this is the first pic we took. This is the first pic which I took with
No,
her.
no, yeah, this one.
Yeah. This is the first pic which we took.
I had no idea what I was doing.
Yeah. I like the placement. That's pretty good. The mountains look pretty good. I think the shrubbery can be reduced. We could have gone to a bit more secluded place where the shrubs are not there.
True.
But yeah, it's overall a good picture. Let's go to the other one.
Yeah.
This was the other one which we took, which you understood how to take the photo.
Alright, this is just the beginning of a legend, so I don't know. What are you looking at, man?
Looks good. Looks good. Now this
Come
was the
on,
this
come
was
on,
the
man.
one pic which I really liked. You know, it looks like a classic photo
Yeah.
wallpaper
Yeah.
which people take.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Hood gang.
Hood cam. Now the other one.
Yeah.
This one was
The
pretty good as
star.
well. The star is there, the rim. I mean, yeah, the colors look good. The composition is great. I think we can do a bit of out of focus stuff here. But we can deal with it later.
We can do that.
Let's
in
go
that.
to
Yep.
the other one. Oh yeah, this was epic. I mean, if I could have taken this shot on my phone, like on my own camera in real life, this would have been $1 million shot.
Yeah, man.
The other one. Oh yeah, this is the one which I took. Yeah, the classic Bugatti shot.
Yeah.
The classic wide, the zoomed in Bugatti shots. This is the one you took. Another classic wallpaper technique. I love how the two of the headlights are looking towards us and the two are looking away. The good minimal colors. We have just the sand and the sky to
There's
differentiate.
two color palettes. I'm just loving it. Red is
Yeah.
there, but yeah, it's just
It's subtle.
so peaceful.
And then the other one, the last one which you took, which was a pain in the ass for you, right?
Yeah, man. Just don't judge me.
Yeah, it's pretty good one. Like if you
I
see,
hate the car.
I mean, if I had somebody, we can just put one car right around here.
Yeah, it's very empty, man. Just delete it, man.
I mean,
just delete
it can be a good wallpaper photo. Like if you can put a good logo here, that will fill the void in your heart.
I'll do that. Yeah, thanks. Much needed.
And this is the last one, the Ari Boo Boo.
The fuck?
This is the Xbox Livery Edition. By the way, guys, yesterday was the 20th anniversary of Xbox, and Dwayne Johnson was there, and Keanu Reeves were there, and Ryan Reynolds was there to unveil the whole if you have not seen that, go go on YouTube and just watch the whole thing. It's fucking great. 20 years of me playing. I've been a big fan of Forza and the Xbox Series S and X. So
And we
go
also
watch
got a
that.
paint, yeah. Also, so I guess we should log off now.
I think we are done for the day then, and I think we're done for the day. These pictures will be uploaded on our Instagram as well if you want to see them again. And then I think this is how we'll sign out the video. And please stay tuned. The next video will be much
For
better.
Injustice 2.
Or Doom Eternal.
I guess that works too.
I think we should let the viewers choose this one.
Doom Eternal.
I think we should let the viewers choose this one. Okay, then we are signing out. See ya. Bye bye.
Bye. अरे खाना मिलेगा? Cut.
कैमरा कट करो.